If you're running a Shopify Plus store and you don't have a mobile app, you're leaving millions on the table. By launching an app that lives up to your brand, it's easier said than done. Most app solutions aren't set up for highly customized, high-performance Shopify Plus stores. Others just come with way too much work, too much overhead, and make it hard to get a reliable ROI. Most mobile app solutions are too little or too much. They'll help you build the app quickly and faster, but it won't look like your store. It won't carry over the same customizations, CRO improvements, and powerful features that you've built into your site. And yet you'll still spend time and effort tinkering and maintaining your app, trying to keep it consistent with your website. On one end, you have custom app builds, native builds that could easily cost millions of dollars to launch, with a year-long timeline and another 6 figures per year to maintain. Your brand needs the best, but is that necessary? And Shopify Plus stores are complex. Custom product pages, advanced CRO, subscription setups, and loyalty programs that go beyond plug and play. Your mobile apps got to support all of that, but it's difficult to justify a 6 to 7 figure build cost for it. So, is launching a mobile app really worth it? It is. It's common for retention brands to drive 10 to 35% of their overall revenue through their mobile apps, and that number is only increasing as more of your e-commerce shifts toward mobile. For an 8 to 9 figure brand, that means you're looking at millions in new revenue from launching a mobile app. That's not worth turning down. And with MobiLoud, you can unlock this multi-million-dollar revenue channel for a cost that virtually guarantees a positive ROI. MobiLoud turns your existing website into a mobile app. There's no rebuilding, no templates, and no missing features from your website, or simplified versions of the custom system that power your site. It's everything from your site converted into a fast, high-performance mobile app that includes everything that makes your brand unique. And the best part, it's a fraction of the cost and effort that it usually takes to launch a custom mobile app. The app is fully synced with your site, and that means it's much easier and faster to launch a traditional mobile app, and much easier to manage. All for the same thing you'll pay an agency $1 million to build. So want to see how it works? Head over to MobiLoud.com and get a free preview of your app.